Hello everybody, welcome to another AJS Solutions episode. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to use the reverse power rule. Let's write down the reverse power rule right here. So dx equals to x n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. Right? So when applying the reverse power rule, you simply have to increase the power plus 1, right? And then divide by the power plus 1, right? Then something very important, don't forget to add your arbitrary constant at the end. Since the derivative of a constant is 0, any constant may be added to an indefinite integral, right? So very important, do not forget to add your arbitrary constant at the end. So let's do one example down here. So let's do the first one. Let's do this one, the integral of x raised to the 4th dx equals to, so just like the reverse power rule says, we have to increase the power by 1 and then divide by the power plus 1, which is going to be equals to x raised to the 5th power over 5. Then, very important, like I said, don't forget to add your arbitrary constant at the end, plus c. Since this is an indefinite integral, we have to add our arbitrary constant. Alright, so let's do our second example. So the integral of x raised to the 6th power dx, which is equals to, same thing, we have to increase our power by 1 and then divide by our power plus 1, which is going to be equals to x raised to the 7 over 7 plus c. This is our answer. Let's do another example. Let's do this one, x squared dx. So every time you see an integral written this way, it's always a better idea to rewrite it this way, dx. That way we can apply the inverse power rule easier. So why did I write the exponent as negative? Why? Because if we move the x squared to the numerator, from the denominator to the numerator, we have to set our exponent as negative. So that's why I wrote the exponent as negative when I moved the x squared to from the denominator to the numerator, right? So now, like I said, this way is so much easier to apply the reverse power rule. Right? So let's keep going, and then like the reverse power rule says, we have to add 1 to our power. So and then divide by the power plus 1, right? Which is going to be x negative 1 over negative 1, right? Plus c. We can leave this as our answer, and this is going to be right. But if you wanna write your answer this way, you can also do it, and by just move the x raised to the negative power to the denominator. Once you do it, you can set your x as positive, right? So and plus c. So both answers are correct. If you want to leave it this way, you can do it, and if you want to do it this way, you can also do it, right? So let's do one more example. Let's do the integral x dx. And this is another example. It's always better to rewrite it as x raised to the 1/3 power. It's so much easier to apply the reverse power rule, which is going to be equal same thing. We add 1 to the power and then we divide by the power plus 1, which is going to be equals to x raised to the 4/3 over 4/3, right? So in order to solve this, to simplify this, we have to just invert the number on the denominator. So to flip it, just 3/4 x raised to the 4/3, and that's it, plus c, and this is our answer. Right, let's do another example, number 5. Let's do x 3/7 dx, which is going to be equals to same thing, 3/7 plus 1 over 3/7 plus 1, which is equals to x raised to the 10/7 divided by 10/7. Just like our last example, we only have to flip the number on the denominator, and then and that's it, x raised to the 10/7 plus c, and this is the answer. Alright, so thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope you find it helpful. See you in the next one. Thank you.